All right, Lowheat fam, Lowheat army. Got another pair in today. Real excited to get these. An everyday pair of sneakers that you can wear, not have any qualms about wearing them. And so I'm very excited to open these. But first, just a little appetizer, a little amuse-bouche. The trailers before the feature. Quick open some cream that I got in. I've opened Preem for videos before and they never do well, so I'm just like sticking it in as some bonus content. See what you guys think. See if you watched, if you skip through to the rest of the video or not. Anyways, didn't want to make a separate video for this. It just, no one cares anymore. So, it doesn't get the views. Anyways, thought I'd show you what I got. I don't buy every week anymore. Whoa. I don't buy every week anymore, but I do pick up some stuff that I feel is interesting. And so right now, 3 weeks ago, I got the Sea to Summit Supreme collaboration air mattress, inflatable air mattress, lightweight for camping. I do go camping, and I just thought I'd be the most fire camper on the mountain. I have some Supreme camping gear, not a ton, but I have an air mattress. It's okay. So I just thought, you know what? Sometimes I might be going with friends who don't have an air mattress, might need to lend them one, then I would need an extra one. So now I got a Supreme one. So look at that. I got the camel one. Thought it would stay cleaner, easier than the other. I think, did it come in black and red? Anyways, so that's dope. Probably paid too much for it. I mean, I didn't pay resale for it, but I'm just saying they always, any collab tax is like 30-40% on to what a normal cost of this is. I don't know what a normal retail cost of a Sea to Summit air mattress, but go ahead, figure they added $30 on for the Supreme collab. So anyways, kind of excited. I will be using this, not keeping this dead stock or reselling it. Can't do that with that. It's not reselling for any money. And then here, I also got this in that same time. Stay with the theme. Stay with the theme of camping, Hype Beast camping. Got some bent Supreme stickers. What is this? Huh. Oh, wait. Oh, here it is. It's a tiny Leatherman. Okay. All right, this is a little disappointing. I thought I was getting a full-size Leatherman. I guess I should have known that, being as this was like only $50 and real full-size Leathermans are $100. Plus, you, like I just talked about, you add the Supreme collab onto it, it would probably be like $150. So, interesting. This, I was going to use this, but this is so tiny. I may sell this if I'm able to sell it at all. It's been available for like weeks, or it was, so this didn't sell out right away. I mean, Leatherman's good quality, so it's not like super janky or anything. That's not the problem. It's just, do I need a tiny pocket Leatherman? I guess that's kind of cool. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, as a YouTuber would say, or all YouTubers would say. What do you guys think about this? Would you use a mini pocket Leatherman, a squirt PS4? It's just not what I expected, so I guess it's growing on me. I guess I didn't read the description. I just clicked, bought, saw that they were still available, and didn't sell out right away. Interesting. I apologize if I have like gross fingers or cuticles, but for someone who doesn't get manicures, I take care of my fingers. Anyways, enough of that sidebar. Let me know what you think about mini Leathermans. I think, it's growing on me, even though the size isn't. All right. I was just a little surprised at first, so I guess I'll keep it, maybe use it. I always like carrying pocket knives around, so that will just be a more versatile pocket knife. Like, oh, I guess here. Wait. Sorry for those who are looking for the shoes. You can skip ahead. I almost didn't get the full value out of this. So here, let's show all really quick. Let's show what it comes with. So obviously you got your pliers there. Let's see here. What is it? I'll come with a nail file right there. Apologize if this is going in and out of focus. I'm trying to keep it in focus. Your standard pocket knife right there. There's, what is that right there? Oh, okay. I'm not going to waste too much time on that. That might just be the center of it. What do we got here? Like a belt hole punch. Belt hole punch. Oh, your bottle opener. Church key. And then on this side, is this your classic scissors? Yes. This is your small mini scissors. There you go. So that's what it all came with. Kind of your classic pocket knife. And then you got your keychain ring. Okay, so there you go. Again, it's growing on me. Probably keep it, probably use it. Okay, this is the big ticket item. Now, let's see it here in a second. Now, to begin with, North Face shit is overpriced. I like North Face. I kind of like Patagonia better. Patagonia is a little bit more eco-conscious. Both expensive. North Face and more Preem stickers. I didn't get any special ones this week. That's all right. For a huge purchase, I was hoping to get some more unique stickers. But anyway, so North Face overpriced to begin with. And then you add the Preem Premium, and it gets even ridiculous. So this came out to total like $436 with tax, shipping, and everything. Like a jacket like this that's not Gore-Tex, not insulated, not lined, probably shouldn't pay over $400 for. This didn't sell out right away. It was up, isn't that crazy? Like 2 years ago, a North Face collab like this with a standard Summit Series jacket shell would sell out instantly and go for probably 33% more to double. This time didn't sell out right away. I mean, it is sold out now, but it's going for just a little bit over retail. You can get this for under $500, I think. I didn't go with a black colorway, even though I liked it better, just because I have a black Gore-Tex Nike ACG jacket that is waterproof, looks like this. So therefore, if I was going to keep this, which I might, still up in the air about keeping a $400 jacket, like I said, I wanted to look different, a little different. So I didn't go all black, even though I like the black better. Just two similar jackets. So this is just a shell, more for windbreaker, light rain, moistness in the air. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Obviously, Supreme has kind of gone down a little bit in popularity. Is North Face Supreme class something you're still interested in? Not just that, but like, let's say, because I would say everyone would be like, not as much, but let's say stuff like this, where it's a classic jacket, classic Summit Series North Face jacket, classic North Face stuff with Supreme. Is even that interesting you nowadays? Let me know what you think. And I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I feel weird about keeping a $400 jacket that isn't, again, Gore-Tex or lined or insulated. So this is TBD. But I had, when I got into Supreme, always wanted a North Face Supreme jacket. I sold a fleece one with that big S. I think I have video unboxing it or opening it. I sold that, but now is my chance to keep one of these at retail. So I kind of want to keep it just to have in the collection, you know? But yeah, okay, on to the main course. We're 8 minutes in, and I haven't even unboxed these shoes. Is anyone even still watching? Or have all of you skipped ahead? Is anyone even watching this video because this is a pair of low heat, not a pair of high heat? That will be interesting. Let me know. But I think videos like these are helpful, right? That's why I think some of you watch, because like you don't know whether to pull the trigger on some of these low heat pairs that are available for sale for retail or a little above retail. And so you watch these videos, right? So here we got my first pair of New Balances ever. Big momentous video. I copped these from Sunica. And they were available on retail. I had wanted these, and they were sold out. They sold out pretty quick everywhere they dropped. Kith, Undefeated. But of course, these aren't a hyped pair, so like it's not like they're reselling for a ton. But I didn't want to pay over resale. I was about to cop these on like Goat or StockX because again, they weren't going for a crazy amount of money. But then I was just doing a little Google foo and found these available in Canada for retail. The shipping was a lot, and then I found them available at Sunica. And since I've got these, I've noticed these have popped up. Different websites have advertised they've got these in stock, newly in stock. And so do your research if you want these. And what are these? Whoa. Holy fire. Look at that. You can see the 3M right away. Let's go back. Let's go back. I'm so excited about these. I'm stoked about these. They don't list the color. But anyways, the model is the ML2002RP New Balances in the Incense colorway. I think they had another name for this color. These are... I was attracted to these. Yes, attracted. I was heavily attracted to these in pictures. These to me are just... As I'm saying, these are clean AF. Just a little discoloration there. These in pictures were just clean AF. Maybe a tad dad shoeish, but like the most fire of dad shoes. Like if a dad was wearing these on the sidelines of a soccer game, this would be a cool dad. You'd be like, oh, that dad's cool. Like if you compared these New Balances to all the other dads on the New Balance wearing New Balances, it'd be like, oh, this dad's got style. Look at these. How fucking clean are these? So it's got a nice, real soft suede here, like long haired on the toe box a little bit and shorter hair on the upper toe box area. They kind of mix and match with same color all around, but just different materials make it stand out. So it's very very subtle. Basically all the shades are very similar, but just different materials. And that's what sets everything apart. So it's just like a mountain shoe. It's just all grays, but just different surfaces. Anyways, right away, because I think all of you, once you see this, are going to like this shoe. Keep your eye out on different retailers on your Instagram, wherever. I've seen these pop up, advertised, like Livestock Canada. I saw these when these were shipping. I saw them advertise that they had got these in. I think these sell pretty quickly. Like some of the sizes were gone. I love the 3M hits. Damn, I know I'm a little all over the place, but so anyways, check your local retailers for these. It's got okay. Back to the materials. Now that I've told you how to get these, so it's got really soft collar, ankle collar inside, really soft. I like this kind of like scaled midsole. That's kind of a unique feature. I don't know how comfortable these are. He's got the energy technology. And I went size 12 because I had to. I don't know the fit on these. Anytime I don't know the fit on something, I just go half size up to be safe. I'll be fine in these. Let's bring out the other shoe. Look, I mean, how can you not? Like, again, these are my first pair of New Balances, and New Balance has been killing it the last couple years. Every other sneaker that they advertise or drop, I'm like, oh, those are fire. Those are pretty fire. I've wanted a handful of them over the past years. I wanted the Concepts Cranberries, New England, Massachusetts one. I've wanted the Amoeba music collab ones. I've wanted the I'm Leon Dore ones. I've wanted just the regular New Balance 550 basketball ones. They just keep making hit after hit. The Bodega collabs. Here, let's try these on foot. They've been putting out really great product lately. And so I was really stoked to get these. Really stoked to get these for retail because these are not a collab. Didn't want to pay over resale price for these. And these will just make a great... These will go with anything. I know we always say that, right? Everyone always says, oh, these go with everything. These will literally go with everything. And these can be everyday. Little camera bump, sorry. Oh, I can already tell. They're comfortable. 12. I could have gone 11.5. I can already tell I could have gone 11.5, but these will be super comfy. Half size up. You like my fuck you socks? I like them. I can already tell these are going to be super comfortable to slip on. I might need to spray these with some like Jason Mark like waterproofing stuff. It doesn't rain a ton here in Southern California, so I don't have to worry too much. That being said, I might just do it because of the soft suede. But yeah, there you go. one laced, one not laced. I mean, I can already tell these are super comfortable. Yes, you could go true to size with these. I can tell. I'm not standing, but I can tell a little 3M hit on the top too. There's just 3M all over these things. Right on the tongue there. Right on the logo on the New Balance running. Yeah, I can already tell that these you could go true to size. All you New Balance fans probably already know this, but new for me. And they fit great. If you do go a half size up, they'll be fine. I'm not seriously running in these or anything. I could wear some thicker socks if I wanted or put an insole in. But yeah, these will go great. I'm going to wear these a ton and cool dad shoes. All right, subscribe and back soon with some more content.